Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. 19 Romeo Foxtrot 013 and 19 Tango Charlie 504. Back again with another video. This time I'm going to unbox a baofeng, how you want to call it. It's the baofeng UV21 Pro. Version 2. So let's see what's in the box. The manual, of course, the radio itself, this radio is a bit dark green, I don't know. Of course, the desk charger, wrist strap, USB charging cable, the belt clip, and the antenna. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this one-handed. And some screwdriver. That's new. And that's it. Let me put this here on the stand. Hold on. For now, I'm just doing just gonna show you guys. Hey, why?
Welcome. Channel mode.
Let's see.
4.
No, not channel mode. I need to. Hold on.
Frequency mode.
4.
3 3 2 0 0.
Test audio check audio check audio. This radio is supposed to be 10 watts. Hello. Oh, wrong frequency. Check audio. But
Menu.
ooh, that's hard to see. Scramble off. Power on. Okay.
Confirm.
I don't have how do you call it?
Confirm.
I don't have a power meter, so I can't test the power. But yeah. I'm gonna try and program it.
Delete channel. Confirm. Confirm. Delete channel. Confirm. Delete channel. Delete channel. Confirm. Delete.
Oh.
Frequency mode. Menu.
Let's see. I'm trying to find the mode where I can save it.
B prompt. Confirm. Confirm. Memory channel. Receiving memory.
Now, yeah. Let me see. I know you guys probably know how to program it by Chirp or any other program. So let's see. High, low.
N. 9, 5,
Meesterde de dader en kreeg een helder speld van burgemeester Halsema. De verdachte wordt dinsdag voorgeleid aan de rechtercommissaris die beslist over arrest.
Over here we have the programming
Volgens de provincie en gemeenten schept Hermans
connector.
door 2 aparte organisaties op te zetten. Een tijdelijke voor lichte schade.
And that's the flashlight. I have 3 buttons over here. The PTT and 3 buttons here. The one on all the way lower one is to change power. As you can see over there. The middle one is flashlight. And the one between the PTT and that button is radio. So anyway, I hope you like this sort of video. I keep you informed when I'm probably gonna do more videos on this. It's a while since I ordered a baofeng. The Guangsheng radio is more my thing, but I wanted to see if this radio, how it receives on, how do you call it, Airband. So,
Frequency mode. 1, 3, 2, 8, 5, 0. Menu. Scratch. Confirm.
now of course, no one is talking. Anyway, I'm gonna program it, and when the weather is getting a little bit better, I'm going to the hill, and I'm gonna probably test this radio. So I see you all next time, guys. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, put it in the comments. See you all next time. 73s.